Hi everyone, this is Dr. Nishtha. In the view of World Breastfeeding Week, I would like to share some tips related to breastfeeding. In the first 2 to 4 days after delivery, the mother secretes something called as colostrum from her breast, which are important for the immunity of the child. Exclusive breastfeeding for the first 6 months means no honey, no pani, no gutli, nothing, except if any ORS or medicines prescribed by the doctor. Good positioning during breastfeeding means the mother should be very comfortable. The child should be positioned such that the child's body along with the head and neck is supported and the child's abdomen touches the abdomen of the mother. For a good attachment, the entire nipple and the areola should be inside the mouth of the child. The lower lip should be everted. The chin should be touching the breast and the upper part of the areola may be visible. It is also important to keep in mind that we first empty one of the breasts followed by the other, because the breast initially secretes something called as the foremilk, which is more watery for the thirst of the child, followed by a thicker milk, which is the hind milk, which is thicker and mostly for the hunger of the child. So first empty one breast followed by the other breast. That is why we say that the child doesn't need any water in the first 6 months, because the breastfeed itself is a complete meal for the child. And apart from that, it is also important to keep in mind that the mother secretes more milk during the night. So night feeds are as important as day feeds. Don't give any milk substitute unless and until indicated by any doctor. Even if you are giving any substitute, prefer giving it in a katori, chammach or palatai. Bottle feeds are not recommended because they are difficult to clean and they are easily contaminated. A bottle feed also gives a passive sense of feeding to the child, but exclusive breastfeeding or breastfeeding is more like an active process where the child involves itself in sucking from the breast, which gives the oral reflexes to the child, and these will help connect the child to the mother. After feeding the child, it's important to burp. It's important that we keep the abdomen of the child on the shoulder so that all the gas that is built up in the stomach will be eliminated. Apart from this, breastfeeding has other advantages such as it prevents cancer and it also helps in prevention of pregnancy. If you have any other doubts, you can put it in the comment section.